Alright guys, we're gonna draw an Airedale Terrier today. So these are the biggest kind of terrier, the biggest terrier breed. Most terriers are pretty tiny. These guys are a medium-sized dog. So we're gonna start off by drawing those eyes here. So we got a circle, circle inside, and then another tiny circle. Then we're gonna color in that second circle. And I know I'm going a little bit fast here, so if I'm going too fast for your liking, feel free to pause the video and take your time. Don't feel like you have to go at my pace. I should have gone a little bit slower, to be honest. Now these guys are pretty interesting. It almost looks like they have really fuzzy eyebrows. And then we can draw the top of his head here. Got two curved lines. Then we'll move down to his snout. Got a triangle, a little circle, and then we're gonna color everything but that tiny little circle black. Awesome, let's move on to the rest of the snout. We're gonna draw essentially a little mustache here. So fuzzy, 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 fuzzy. Just think, how fluffy can a dog be? And essentially you have this dog here. So not only do we have the mustache, we have the beard too. And then the sides of his face are also very, very fluffy. Kind of looks like an old man dog, if I'm being honest. Then we'll draw his little floppy ears here. If you want, you can make him a little bit fluffier than I did. It's completely up to you. Then we got his neck. It's a little bit fluffy here. We're gonna leave some room for his collar. I think it's fun to draw collars on dogs, so let's go ahead and draw one here. Starting with this line here, goes down and back up. And we're gonna continue it. This part goes in, a little bit of a shadow there, and then goes back in. Then we just need to draw the details on the collar. So here's the buckle. Then we're going to draw these little circles here. That's for adjusting the collar to be tighter or looser. And then, of course, we need to add some more fluff. So fluff, 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 fluff for the chest. All right, excellent. Then let's draw, you guessed it, some more fluff, but this is for the leg, the front leg here. Go down, 1, 2. Then we'll draw the other part of the leg here and down. And we'll draw the one next to it. We're not going to see a whole lot of this leg, but it's about the same length. And then we have the two front legs. Let's draw his back. So we got fluff, fluff, and then curved line. Let's draw his hind legs. Fluff, fluff, curve in. And then of course, we gotta draw that paw. Draw that. Go back in. Draw some more fluff. How fluffy can he be? Think about that and then add even more fluff. And you've got him set. Alright. Let's draw the other hind leg. Whoop. There we go. Now all we need is that little tail. Boop. 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 And then boop. Zoop. And there you have it. Then you can color him in once we add some more fluff. Optional, but honestly, I think it's important. Okay, now we can color him in. So he's gonna be tannish brown with a black spot on his back, and you can make the color of the collar anything you like. Bye for now, guys. Thanks for watching.